BMW 2 Series Maintenance Service. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The 2019 BMW 2 Series is a lineup of compact luxury cars that offer a blend of performance, style, and versatility. Known for its sporty handling and a variety of body styles, the 2 Series appeals to driving enthusiasts who want the driving dynamics of a BMW in a smaller package. Here are some key features and specifications of the 2019 BMW 2 Series. For the maintenance service of your BMW 2 Series, it's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual. Here are some general guidelines for routine maintenance tasks. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential for the health and longevity of your engine. Follow the recommended oil change intervals specified by BMW, typically every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or once a year. Whichever comes first. Fluid checks. Periodically check the levels and condition of essential fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Top up or replace fluids as needed. Filter replacements. Replace the engine air filter, cabin air filter, and fuel filter according to the manufacturer's recommended intervals. Clean or replace the air filters more frequently if you drive in dusty or polluted environments. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and tread wear. Rotate tires according to the recommended schedule to ensure even wear and extend tire life. Inspect tires for signs of damage and replace them as needed. Brake inspection. Inspect brake pads, rotors, and brake lines for wear and damage. Replace brake pads and rotors as needed. And flush the brake fluid according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Battery inspection. Check the condition of the battery terminals and cables for corrosion or damage. Test the battery's voltage and replace it if it's weak or failing. Suspension and steering. Inspect suspension components, including shocks, struts, and control arms, for signs of wear or damage. Check steering components for proper operation and alignment. Safety system checks. Test and inspect safety systems such as headlights, taillights, turn signals, windshield wipers, and seat belts for proper operation. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software up to date by installing any available updates from BMW. These updates may improve performance, fuel efficiency, and overall vehicle operation. Scheduled maintenance visits. Follow the recommended maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual and take your BMW 2 Series to an authorized BMW service center for scheduled maintenance visits. By following these maintenance guidelines and scheduling regular service visits with an authorized BMW service center, you can help ensure that your BMW 2 Series remains in optimal condition and continues to provide reliable performance for years to come.